Hey everyone, cilantro is one of those herbs that's often overlooked, but I'm excited to share with you just how powerful it can be for our health. Did you know that cilantro, that little green herb, can remove heavy metals from the body? We're talking lead, mercury, even arsenic. Cilantro is a nutritional powerhouse often overlooked. We'll dive into cilantro's hidden health benefits and how to easily incorporate it into your diet. You might be thinking, cilantro, isn't that just a pretty garnish for Mexican dishes? And you're not alone. Many people view cilantro as a mere decoration, without realizing the incredible health benefits it has to offer. How many of us have picked around the cilantro in our food, relegating it to the side of the plate? I used to be one of those people who underestimated cilantro, but now I know better. Researching natural remedies, I discovered cilantro's remarkable properties. We sprinkle it on our tacos, add it to our salsa, and maybe even toss a bit into a smoothie, but rarely consider its incredible health impact. So, what makes cilantro so special? From reducing inflammation to promoting digestive health, the benefits of cilantro are vast and varied. And today, I want to share some of the most surprising and impressive benefits of cilantro that will make you want to start incorporating it into your diet ASAP. It's packed with antioxidants. But what do they actually do? Cilantro is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which help to combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in our bodies. This can lead to improved skin health, reduced inflammation, and even a lower risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Antioxidants protect our cells from damage by harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals are in the air, food, and water. And cilantro, it's bursting with them. If you struggle with digestive problems, cilantro might become your new best friend. This herb has been used for centuries to soothe digestive ailments and promote a healthy gut. Studies show cilantro can relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion by stimulating digestive enzymes. Cilantro also reduces inflammation in the digestive tract, helping with IBS. Maintaining healthy blood sugar is crucial, and cilantro may help. Studies suggest cilantro has anti-diabetic properties, aiding in natural blood sugar regulation. Remember when I mentioned cilantro's ability to remove heavy metals? Let's dive deeper into this benefit. Cilantro acts like a natural chelator, binding to heavy metals like mercury, lead, and aluminum, helping to flush them out. A strong immune system is our best defense against illness. Cilantro gives your body extra support to stay healthy. This herb is packed with vitamins and minerals vital for immune function. Adding cilantro to your diet boosts your immune system. Inflammation is part of the body's healing process, but chronic inflammation can harm our health. Cilantro has anti-inflammatory properties that help combat this damaging inflammation. Want glowing, radiant skin? Look no further than cilantro. This herb isn't just good for your insides, it works wonders for your skin too. Its high vitamin C boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful looking. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, but making simple lifestyle changes, like incorporating heart-healthy foods into your diet, cilantro, with its impressive nutritional profile, can support a healthy heart. Studies suggest cilantro may lower bad cholesterol and regulate blood pressure. While there's no magic bullet for weight loss, incorporating nutrient-rich, low-calorie foods like cilantro can support your weight management goals. Cilantro's fiber helps you feel fuller, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. Who knew that such a small herb could pack such a powerful punch? From boosting your immune system and detoxifying your body, to improving digestion and supporting heart health, cilantro's benefits are remarkable. Incorporating this versatile herb into your diet is easy and delicious, and the positive impact on your health is undeniable. So, next time you're at the grocery store, grab a handful and start experimenting with different ways to add it to your meals. Thanks for watching. And if you have any personal experiences with cilantro, or have tried any of the benefits I mentioned today, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on healthy eating and nutrition. And I'll see you in the next video.